Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off email notifications on Peacock TV. So let's get started right away. Open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in peacocktv.com and search. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well. And once you end up in this page, click on the account button at the top right hand corner. In the account tab, click on settings. From the settings menu, scroll down and disable the button right next to email notification. Make sure that you leave the box unchecked and click on save settings. Now once you turn this option off, you will not receive occasional updates, alerts and promotions from Peacock via email. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.